Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for the control board on your stove. The reason why you would have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a short Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we need to do here is there's 2 screws underneath our control console, and we're going to use a short Phillips head screwdriver in order to get them out. And now we're going to turn our stove around, and on the back of our stove we've got 4 more screws that we're going to have to remove with a 1/4 inch nut driver. And as I remove this last screw, I'm just going to have my other hand underneath the control console in the front there so it doesn't fall off when I remove the screw. So right here we're missing a screw that's helping to hold the control board securely in place. That's not good because it's a little bit loose now, and we don't want that. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're just going to use a 1/4 inch nut driver to put that in place. And now we're going to put the control console back on, and you're going to want to make sure that the bottom here goes over this lip. So just like so. And then it'll sit back just like that. And you're going to have to hold it in place while you get the first screw in. And after that, you should be able to easily get the other screws in. So now we're on the front, and we're just going to screw the console screws on back up here. Got to line up the hole and screw it in. There we go. And now the console's secure, and your repair is complete. Nobody likes vacuum jokes. They suck. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.